This is so good.
Say Happy Thanksgiving, Grandpa.
Happy Thanksgiving, Grandpa.
Happy Thanksgiving, Dad.
I said that earlier.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Look, I have eggnog. But
Eggnog.
It's
Does it have whiskey in it? Don't look at me like that.
Hope you're enjoying your ham.
if it did, I wouldn't be eating it.
What?
If it did, I wouldn't be drinking it.
Yeah. What do you got on your plate there left?
Potatoes, cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. You got some cream spinach over here. How is that cream spinach?
I think
I
they
like
laced this food with something.
They laced the food. Look, that was left. On the plate of turkey, you got sweet potatoes and cranberry. Oh, what's over there? Oh, we got mashed potatoes.
And a half a turkey left, yo.
Yo. We got some gravy. Look, oh, wait, what's that right there?
What's this?
What's that?
It's Thanksgiving in a bottle.
You got some veggies over there that really nobody ate except for us.
Grandpa.
I ate some broccoli.
Did you eat your broccoli?
I
Oh,
did.
you
Not
very
very
good. I didn't have any vegetables. Did you have any?
No. I'm having cream spinach.
Oh, cream
Yay!
spinach. There you go. I think cranberry. Does cranberry count as a vegetable?
No, that's a fruit.
Is it a fruit?
Well, it's a berry.
And it has seeds, right? Is that how you tell the difference?
Cranberry bogs. The berries with seeds, the berries.
Daddy.
Berries? Is that
Look.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, gross.
It grew.
Look at, I got 2 turkeys in one shot. Okay, say bye, Grandpa. Bye, Dad.
Happy
I
Thanksgiving.
love you.
We love you.
Love you.
I'm gonna eat my cranberry sauce.
Do it. Ah.